Electricity is the flow of electrical power of charge that is one of the most important factors in our society. Having the right tools for the job can help you work faster, more comfortably, and fewer mistakes. Now let's talk about the basic hand tools in electricity. First, we have a hammer, which is classified into two. First one is the plow hammer, which is specialized in driving or pulling out the nails. The second one is the ball peen hammer, that is specialized in metalworking. Now let's proceed to the pliers, which is classified into three. First, we have the combination pliers, which is universally useful for gripping and holding electrical wires and cables. Next is the cutter pliers, which is good for cutting the electrical wires and cables. And the last one is the long nose pliers that can be used for cutting and holding fine wires. And now let's move on to the screwdriver, which is classified into two. The first one is the Phillips screwdriver that has a cross tip resembling a positive sign that is specialized in driving screws with screws slot heads. Now the last but not the least is the flat screwdriver that has a blade tip and resembles negative sign, which is specialized to drive screws with a single slot heads